In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an invoice template using Notion's Invoice Manager. If you're new to Notion or are looking to simplify your invoicing process, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your Notion workspace. If you're not already signed in, go to the Notion homepage. Here you can log into your account. Remember, Notion is a versatile tool where you can manage your wiki, documents, and projects all in one place. It's perfect for personal projects and professional tasks alike. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your Notion homepage. From here, we'll start building your invoice template. Begin by utilizing the search function at the top of the homepage. Simply type Invoice into the search bar and hit Enter. This will bring up a variety of options related to invoicing templates within Notion. Next, browse through the available invoice templates. Notion offers a range of customizable templates that you can choose from. Selecting the right template is crucial as it serves as the foundation for your invoice design. So take a moment to explore the options and consider how each layout might suit your specific needs. When you've found a template that resonates with you, go ahead and select it. Notion will open up a preview for you to explore. You can view what elements are included and how data is organized. This preview is an excellent way to ensure that the template aligns with your requirements. Satisfied with your selection? Click on the Add button to integrate this invoice template into your workspace. This process is seamless. Notion will immediately incorporate the template into your existing setup, ready for you to modify and use as needed. Congratulations! You've now added an invoice template to your Notion workspace. The beauty of Notion lies in its customizability. You can now tweak this template to fit your business needs, whether that's adding your company logo, adjusting item descriptions, or setting up automatic calculations. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've set up an invoicing system within Notion that can save you time and streamline your billing process. Remember, the more you customize these templates, the more efficient your workflow becomes. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you're ready to take full advantage of Notion's tools. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your digital workspace. Happy invoicing!